Good morning, good morning. Welcome to day 2 of the North Cape trip. I hope you're doing good. You know, we just left Ringsted, so I didn't record a video yesterday evening because I was so tired. So we arrived at the bed and breakfast and we decided then to go to eat something. We went to the city and went to like a restaurant called Meatery, like burgers and so on, and yeah, just had something to eat, and then we went back home. So I had a burger, my dad had a steak and some shrimps, so it was like 65 euros. Yeah, not too bad. Also like a Coke and then something to drink, so so I guess it's okay. But yeah, now we are leaving on the way. Like we just left Ringsted, and okay. So we just left Ringsted, and now we are on the way to Copenhagen, then Malmö, and then up north to Göteborg, and then further north, like 100 kilometers north, or like 1 hour north of Göteborg, there's a small village. I don't know the exact name. And there we booked like there's a small motel, and we booked a room there to shower and everything. And that's basically the tour for today. It should be like 4-5ish hours. And now the navigation guides us to like a small coffee, a small restaurant shop, you know, Apple and Garden, it's the name. And there we want to then eat something and drink a coffee. So hopefully this works out. We had a small breakfast already, like basically leftovers from yesterday, and yeah, now we're just, you know, continue on. Still highway today. Tomorrow day 3 we are then arriving in Norway, and then hopefully we have some more twisty roads and some more nicer scenery as well. So yeah, so far so good. My night was short, you know. It was the first time in a long time that I slept in the same room with my father. He's more on the noisier side. He snores, he likes to talk, and he makes all kind of noises, you know. Yeah, so it was a bit on the shorter side. Even with earplugs I could still hear him. But yeah, nothing I can do about it, you know. I need to survive the next 2 weeks with him in a tent. So and the thing is, as soon as I fell asleep at, like, I think it was 3 or 4, he then woke up and went to the bathroom, and then of course I woke up. Yeah, was not ideal. But anyway, that's it for a small update. You know, day 2 has begun. Another bridge is in front of us. Definitely it was not the Øresund bridge yesterday, but I think it's something Øre bridge today. I really need to look them up, but I will add the title in the video. So yeah, looking forward to today. It's gonna be a short one. So yeah, really excited to get the things going and to get more kilometers under the belt, you know. It's now 50,215 on my motorcycle, so pretty good. A small update on the seat cushion. Yeah, they did a okay job, I would say. Not for the money, definitely not worth it. But the longer the tour went, the more air I put into the air pockets, the better it got, you know. So this was good. But all in all is good, you know. The tent on the top case is good. It's very solid. I fixed the lamp issue as well. so I don't know. I don't have any distance light anymore. The normal light was broken. You have two on the motorcycle, one when you don't have the ignition on, and the other one when the ignition is on. And the other one when the ignition on wasn't working, and that's why my mother didn't see it when she did the test. So, or when she did the checkup basically. So, yeah, but now I don't have a distance light, but it's not an issue because I have my fog lights and they are super bright. So yeah, as you can probably hear, it's on the windier side today. Especially when going a bit faster. But it's not. It's still warm, you know. It's 21 degrees Celsius, so it is warmer. And it's just the morning. It's 9:23. So yeah, the bed and breakfast was good. You know, you had shared showers, a shared bathroom, but they had plenty of them throughout the whole location. So we were like at one kind of block. There was no one else, so our bathroom was basically just for us. It was 66 euros for one night, Wi-Fi included and so on. You can use the kitchen, of course, or the barbecue station, but then you need to bring your own food, obviously. But yeah, was okay. Today it's a bit more, the motor is a bit more on the pricey side because you have your own showers, your own bathroom and so on. It's 112 euros. I book everything via booking.com website, so everything is safe and secure there, so it should be good. But yeah, that's enough of me rambling on, so I will probably give an update once we hit the bridge, and then when we leave or move from Copenhagen to Malmö. That's probably the next update. But you know, me and my promises about updates, don't take them for granted. Anyway, until the next update, whenever this is, talk to you soon. Bye bye. So, second bridge, or I think it's a bridge to Copenhagen. Here's the Copenhagen airport as well. You see some planes in the distance. It is very windy. Very, very windy. So yeah. So now we're onto I think Copenhagen almost. And it's only like 50 kilometers till Malmö. And there should be another bridge. I'm just trying to figure out where I need to go. That is always the challenge, you know. You know, when I had the Senna and the navigation wasn't working, this was an absolute nightmare because I had no idea what route to take. But now I have the navigation, and yeah, you know, it tells me early enough which lane I need to go. But you know, I know I need to go to Malmö, so I follow the E20, so it's very straightforward, I think. But anyway, second bridge is coming, and hopefully it should be more impressive than the smaller one we just had. I think the second bridge is a tall bridge as well, and it's therefore a bit bigger. But here's only 90, so we adhere to the speed limit because the fines are pretty hefty in Sweden, Norway, and Scandinavia overall. I think not as crazy as in Switzerland, but yeah. I'll talk to you in the next update, I think. So we're now going underwater, I think. Yes, this bridge goes, oh, that's not the bridge, this tunnel. This tunnel goes underwater. It's the Øresund motorway or something, motorwayen. You know, I like butchering names. No, I don't like it, but you know, that's I'm not Swedish or Danish or Finnish or whatever, so, but it's the Øresund Motor Highway, I think. Woo. Welcome to Sweden. Oh my god, that was windy. Oh my god, holy moly, especially when, you know, the steel cables cut into the wind, you're like, yeah, wind, no wind, no wind, no wind. It was crazy. So now we need to pay, and I will turn off the camera for that. Oh, hello, hello, hello. Small update. So we just had coffee, and you know, you can probably see that the weather isn't that great. So it is a good test for all the gear and equipment, you know, I carry and I have. So yeah, you know, the forecast is that it's gonna be like this for the next 5, 6, 7 days. So obviously we are changing location, but it is definitely not ideal to camp. But at the end it is what it is, you know, you just need to find ways to work around it, and hopefully, you know, it will get better. But it is windy, it is rainy. It went from 26 degrees to 90 degrees Celsius. So yeah, it's obviously a different kind of ride and journey, but no, we have 184 kilometers left, approximately 2 hours. We just also fueled up, so, and now we have to work with this weather. Yeah, visibility isn't great, but you know, you just have like more safety distance and so on, and pay a bit more attention. But yeah, just a small update, you know, it's not all rainbow. Well, rainbows will come later. It's not all sunshine and happy times, you know. This is normal, this is life, you know, and it needs to be shown as well that, you know, it rains. Sometimes you're also miserable because it rains, but luckily everything that we have right now should be waterproof. Maybe not the GoPro, at least not the media mode, so we'll see how this one lasts. Hopefully, because I don't have any replacement, so and if it doesn't last, well, then I probably need to take a small stint to Oslo to buy a new one, but we'll see. So yeah, just a quick update. But after rain, as I said, there will be sunshine and rainbows, so yeah. And as I now need to pay more attention to the road, I'll leave you to it until the next update, until we arrive at the motel. Nothing fancy. So yeah, talk to you in the next update. So last update for today. We are so close to the motel. So yeah, that's it for today. You know. So yeah, let's check in, let's see it, and then that's the last update for today. So it's close to the highway, it's good. I can also get some fuel, which is good. They have a restaurant, they have something to buy, like a 24/7 grocery store. So yeah, not too bad, I would say. Let's see how it is. So many directions, you know. So where can I park? Where is it? I don't know where they're all waiting for. I'll just park here for a second. So there, yeah, that's it for today. That's the update. That's the last thing.